Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Offside, and we are going to try out just a new game or not so new game. I have to figure out, but it is a free game in Epic Games Store. So why not? I had to get it, and it's not really a new game. It came out January 2019, so it has been a while, but this is my first time playing, not really the first time, but quote unquote first time playing this game on the stream. This is Wild True Learn. Alright, so I've tried this game out up until the point where I found it very difficult. I played this yesterday, like all throughout the afternoon. Yeah, I spent the entire afternoon just playing this game until my head gave gave up. So yeah, but for the channel though, I am willing to do all the levels all over again, and we'll see. So let's just start a new game. Got the guy tutorial, not basics. I'm gonna skip the tutorial. Let's go ahead and move on to the basics. All right. Come on. Are you... Okay, well, let's just go with that. I kinda snatched the name from myself. Alright. Oh, okay. So this was actually the tutorial. Kinda want to start from this. So, well, let's try it out again. Wait. Reset tutorials. There we go. Okay, didn't have to, hang on. Alright. Fix it. Yep. Try that again. Alright, the new game. This game slot. Sure, let's just start with the tutorial. Alright. Now basically this is a puzzle game where how should I say this? It doesn't require you to code, but it's basically programming with the goal to understand what your cat is saying. So that's your main motivation. Just want to understand what your cat is saying. So it's basically a click and drag to make connections. Alright, that should do it. First I thought that was a otter. No, apparently that's your cat. Doesn't look like an otter though. See? Alright, here we are. Got bugs. Typical how should I say this? Computer engineer? Programmer? Yeah, programmer. Still successful. And that cat's smart. That's the reason why made it our motivation to create the perfect AI. Well, not very perfect, at least an AI that would let us understand what our cat or what's going on inside that cat's mind. Hey, what did you do? How did you do that? Holy zeros, if only I could understand what this cat has to say. I guess we'll have to find out a way to recognize your speech now. Alright, cat speech recognition. Google it on cat overflow. Cat overflow, I guess it's the kind of like a forum. Yeah, oh, here we go again. Alright. How to recognize animal speech. Hey everyone, can you believe my cat? That little devil has debugged my code again. He definitely has something to say, so I decided to make some sort of system, algorithm, which would help me understand him. Give me advice. Wish me luck, maybe. Yes, I'm not insane. My mom had me tested. Alright. Don't rush ahead of yourself. Make a device that will be able to detect the cat would be a nice start. You can work with video sounds when the time is right. Hey, a couple of days ago, I've been reading about the expert system can be applied for detecting animals and writing chatbots. The newspaper was called Deep News. I'll be sending you my copies once I'm done, but alright. Welcome to your workspace. So basically we just drag these nodes, yeah, onto our workspace. Drag this from the input. This is our input and this is our output. For this particular one, we just have to filter out, make all the red squares go to red output, red square output. Same goes with the blue square. So the way that we do that is we use these nodes, which serve different functions. There are different nodes that do different functions. So this one, called an expert system. It's a filter. Yep, definitely just a basic filter. So what we want, if it's red, if red, go here. If else, then go here. That's it. If you do have basic understanding of how coding works, I don't. I'm not a computer engineer nor a programmer, and just have very, very, very basic, and even I mean, an understanding may be an overstatement. So at this point, yeah, I know enough just to progress several levels of this game. Again, I've tried that expert system and it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right. Is that what the fuss is all about? Machine learning? Are you guys actually working there? This is called visual programming, my fellow dude. Yes, this is how it's supposed to work. The expert system analyzes your data input from the camera, checks if there's a cat on them. Nope, it's not what machine learning is all about. It will get hardcore soon enough. Well, I'm not very good at it yet, apparently. When do I actually start building cat translate? Don't rush it, my friend. you gotta master your machine learning ninja skills first. I'm working as a freelancer and the amount of contracts is crazy. I'll forward some jobs and how I don't want to read all of this. But hey, give advice. There's an auto help for each new technology. Very convenient. Alright, well, basically the dialogues will be going through that kind of layout from the forum. Behold, the task tree. So this was the task tree that we saw earlier. So basically, where all the levels will be laid out. To get money out of this, these are kind of like different jobs. Taking different jobs. Some are good, some are kind of shady, some probably top secret. We shouldn't be sharing real life. See these colorful geometric shapes? They represent various kinds of things. So basically, I don't know. I kind of call them packets. Let's just call them data, right? Long story short, your goal in the game is to transfer data. Yep. So same thing. Now we can change this to filter out green, probably blue as well. Yeah, be fancy blue. Just have to make sure you connect the right inputs to the right outputs. Yep. Also speed up the game. Okay, so we do have different kinds of objectives. We have to make sure that the occupancy, the bar right here, which is currently hidden, is met. Also, accuracy is met. Accuracy is met if we provide the right data to the right output. To the output input. Sorry, I think I summed it up. Also, we do get the different awards or rewards. Depending on how fast we do the job or complete the task. Yep. So also some sort of a deduction. It's not that big to worry about. All right. First things first, though. This is my workstation. Kind of weird, but we do have, yeah, we do have a shop here. We can buy these ornaments, these collectibles. Yep, they don't need too much just to to liven the place up. There's also nodes. I haven't unlocked these yet. They'll be unlocked way into the game. Hardware is the thing that I'm after. Because these actually provide different bonuses that would help you progress through the levels, or maybe there are levels where you're struggling to get the gold medal, the highest reward. You just unlock these, buy them, make your system faster, more efficient, then you can get the gold medal. Our cat skins, as it says, just give your cat skins. If we click to get the cat, it will just reroute me to a different window outside the game. So, yep. Alright, so let's do another job. There's errors in database. Hello, we have some errors in our questionnaires data. Can't solve the problem by ourselves. Can you please fix it? Sure. Your efficiency is measured not just money, and pretty much talked about that. Alright. Now, our job here is to transfer these data. Well, particular ones, we don't need the blue, so what we need to do, you see here we do have node limits. This varies based on the certain rewards that you're aiming for. Yep. Also the trash can, which counts as a node. Alright, so how should we do this? You also have to be crafty, in a sense that you don't just go for this particular route of problem solving. Say here, if you really want to get the gold medal, you just have to work with two nodes. Since we have this node, can only filter out one color. You need two colors. What you want to filter out on the other way of doing this is you want to filter out the color that you don't. That's how it works. Hopefully it makes sense. Alright, so since we don't want blue, we want to filter out blue, send it to the trash, everything else will be sent to the out. Let's run. Pretty much have to for the entire thing to complete the transfer. Alright. That was easy. Let's try I'll try doing a speed run in this game. And then I'll just stuff. There's some stuff needs explaining. Hello, it's us again. We found some new types of errors. Alright. Deep news. Non-neural artificial intelligence. Mankind is always trying to create an artificial intelligence. I think these are facts. Yeah, real world facts of Eliza. It's actually the first chatbot. It's not. It's made in 1966. Holy crap! I only know about chatbot. What's her name? Alright, custom nodes are special nodes containing your previously designed schemes. Press in the middle tab to switch custom nodes. You know what? I haven't really found any use for these in my previous gameplay, so we'll see if we can use them more often. If you want to modify the scheme, sure. Alright, red, else divide. We will need red, so this node works best, will serve us best. If you are kind of confused on what the outputs are, you can just follow this. Usually just follows the same order. You can also look into this, but what's inside this this mega node. Alright. So it doesn't really save us nodes. So how the number of nodes here will also translate how many nodes will be placed on your current space. Since there's just one node here, this just takes up one node, this limit. But if there's two in here, that would also take up two node space. So I thought this would save us nodes. Alright, red, else divide. Alright. Okay. Did say I was going to speedrun. Let's go. Alright, there we go. Job's done. Step position trees. How to recognize the cat in the picture. Hey, is there any way to detect the cat without using expert systems? Decision tree. So Sift is one of the nodes that we will be trying or using. Or you can use snails or glue or something. Oh, it's just a cat. Won't fight you back. Joking. Just kidding. Alright. Alright. So this is, we are introduced to a different kind of node now. Decision tree. So this decision tree, if I remember correctly, can filter out two kinds of data at a time. But the thing is, if you feed it with input that contains three different kinds of data, whatever is not selected in this example is the green square. That green square will randomly go to different outputs. Figure out how it works. So since we need green in two different output, we need red here, we need blue here. We want the green to be evenly distributed. So we want to, well, not evenly distributed, but just go to different kinds of stream, output streams. So we will just leave the filter as it is and just have the program run. There we go. Quick. Alright, optimization. Let's see. Hi, it's us again. You again. Alright, increase speed. Alright, so for gold, we need to only use 3 nodes. We only need 1. So we just use this. Yep. We just use this red else divide. Right? Am I missing something? Alright. What's that? Oh, I guess it has something to do with the time limit. I think so. Because we won't be able to finish this in just 18 seconds. Yep, I think that's a catch. So we will use decision 3 colors because if you notice, the expert system kind of takes a while, 1 second. So this takes faster to sort stuff out, but we have to figure out a way to really filter out all the stuff that we don't need. So we only need red. Let's just connect that. So this output will churn out red stuff, but it will also randomly include green stuff. So what we need here, well, this one will filter out the blues and some green. So just shoot this into the trash can directly. Now this one, since we will still be getting reds and greens, we want to filter out the greens, the remaining greens, and toss them into the trash. So whatever is remaining should just be purely red. So let's test that out. Alright, perfect. That was a double filtering system, I guess. Alright, next. Med X. Oh, we're going into Illuminati stuff, but let's see. MedX. Greetings, our companies manufacture all organic natural painkillers. They're used to decrease suffering, mood improvement, and coping with eating disorders. Known side effects including dilated pupils, diarrhea, physical and mental addiction. are caused by human factor. From time to time, our workers pick the wrong plants because they look like medical herbs. Okay, so human error. And that's something that you want to avoid, especially if you're a pharmaceutical company. All right, now let's get started. You only need to use 3 if you want to get the gold. So how should we do this? So thing here is we only need the blue squares on one out street. So let's try to prioritize that. Okay, we have blue here. Okay. They do have they do require different amounts for different occupancy levels. So let's see. We don't want to completely filter out the green, so I think let's correctly place that in here. Yes. Oh, this one. Can actually just work here, but okay, let's see. I think with the outputs is you can only have one line of outputs go into an input, but a single input can take in multiple outputs. So we can't do that here. How should we do this? Forgot. You just place this here. Okay. I forgot how they did this. Anyway, I know we weren't able to fulfill this, so we won't be finishing or completing this level yet. Just want to see how this one. Oh, you know what? Because this output stream just needs 16 and we have 26. What we can do is just completely fill it up with blues. That's okay. Doesn't get any greens. So need is this. So switch this up to and again blue. Yep. The greens, on the other hand, I'm not sure how it will be divided. Hopefully we have, so 20 goes here, 20 goes here, since we will be filtering out all the greens, so that will be okay. Still fulfill the occupancy. So let's test that out. Hope it worked. I think it worked. Yep, there we go. Nice. Alright, next. What? Wait, why is it? Why was it just... Well, maybe because... Hey, second. What's going on? You know what? I think... Yeah, we weren't able to finish the entire job in 25 seconds. So, thinking of another way. Let's take that. What if we do this? Red goes here, but we will filter out all the... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. This will turn into green. Filter out all the blues to go here. Yep. All the reds to go here. That should still suffice though. And as for the greens, we will just filter out all the greens, blues out of the stream, move them there, move that there. We will still fulfill the node limit, but this attempt, hopefully we should be able to complete the entire thing less than 55 seconds. Hopefully. Crossing. Nope. Still not. I was able to do this first try. Anyway, maybe it's the time that we should buy. Nope. Nothing's available yet. Not sure what's going on. Anyway, we'll just figure this out. Okay, those are just the tidbits of info. Facts. Alright, let's move on to the next job, which is the Illuminati Oranges. We'll go back to Medex if we still have time once we get an upgrade from the store. Something that will speed up the processing. Alright, Illuminati Oranges, good day. I study ancient manuscripts and books in order to figure out the true story behind the Illuminati secret society. I need to recognize all the triangular shapes in these documents to solve the puzzle. Do you design a program that would do that for me? Sure. Alright, now we will be dealing with shapes. Same scenario, except this time we will be using Sif. The thing is, this one, it's not as fast as the expert thing. Alright, same scenario, we just want to filter out the triangles. Yep. Rest into the trash. Shouldn't be a problem. It's basically like sort of a tutorial for the. Alright, working for the man feels too easy, boring, or soul sucking. Aim for this guy and become a CTO of a startup. Chief Technical Officer, I guess. So we can go into startups, fund the startups, basically shell out money, and if our program works well and it will earn us money, we can just sell our shares and profit. All right, now we will be dealing with a pizza shop. So we are tasked to do a program that will let AI sort between square pizzas and circular pizzas. All right. Since there are just two kinds of input, we can just do this. All right, that was just a testing. Try to design an AI-controlled pizza place. Serves pizza in round and square shapes. The scheme you're designing is the brain of the pizza robot. It sorts orders by the shape of the pizza your clients order. Their users are of your startup, in this case your pizza restaurant. They've heard of a new amazing place in town and they want to grab a slice. These are your clients' orders. The millennials don't care too much about toppings. They shape them. You don't eat pizza just for its shape. You eat the pizza for its toppings. What is wrong with these millennials? Well, part. But anyway, mind the accuracy. If a client gets a pizza they've ordered, they will pay you money. Alright, if the client doesn't get what they want, they refuse to pay, of course. Makes sense. One more thing, clients don't like waiting queues. They will leave with no hesitation. If your scheme is working slowly, the waiting line will get longer. That's one important information to know as well. The market is constantly changing, so pay attention to what's going on. Experiment with your schemes. Now it's time to launch your first stock. Alright, let's release this. Alright. This is how it works. We just wait for a day, just keep an eye on our income. Once it turns red, that will be the best time to withdraw and sell your shares or sell the program itself. Hey, look, your users seem to like what your scheme is doing. So our hype is green. That means our income is steadily rising. It's kind of weird though, the way they animate the graphs. Kind of confusing. Time is passing by, the market changes. When the hype icons yellow, means that your target audience is already aware. Or startup would expect many new users at this point. Watch your earnings carefully. When the number becomes red, it's time to cash out. Let's click on the next day, keeping an eye out on the income. Maximizing our profits before we cash out. I think now's the time to cash out. I think. Because the next day, this will go red. Alright. We don't have any hardware upgrades. Oh, they're from mom and dad. Yep. Alright, next is I think this. Right. That was the startup. Alright, next job. Chicken Escape. Chicken Escape Farm. Hi there. My name is Sarah. I own a small technology farm. Our distributors demand supplies of eggs of different kinds, and it takes a lot of time. So basically, we are tasked to create an egg sorting machine. Not sure why there would be eggs that are shaped that have square shape or triangle shape. All right, so this is another filtering thing. So we are going to do another double filter, I guess. So you want to start. There's no other obvious thing to prioritize. In this case, they're just evenly spread. You also have to make sure to keep an eye on the occupancy requirement. That also come into play some other levels. Yeah, at this point we just have to do a double filter again. Just filtering out the circles first. Else goes here. Actually, triple. Because this will just leave. Oh no, wait. Did it wrong. Alright, there we go. Else. This will just leave squares, triangles. So put squares there. The triangles here. There we go. Takes a while. Last one, come on. Come on, why? Do that again. Maybe we were. I know I was able to get the gold. I didn't have any problems in getting the gold until I reached this part, which I had to revisit with an upgraded rig. Not sure. We're just getting lucky. That's okay. We can just go back, improve on our design. All right, this one took me several tries to figure out that I had to get an upgrade, get the gold. So we just want to get the silver at this point. So my line of thinking here is gold and hot. Alright, I think what I did was well, since we need reds on both output, we want to filter out the red to go randomly instead. So green, yep. Then we're getting all the greens and some reds here. Let's do this first. Loosen the reds. I think we need to sift out triangles. We don't need triangles here. So, okay. we will only be getting red and blue triangles, so it's not a problem getting greens. Into the trash. Yep, everything else goes in here. So this should complete and should fulfill the requirements of this output. Next is green. Now, you want to go. Oh, wait a second. I don't want to go for position 3 and we'll just have to go with. Oh no, wait, I have I'm forgetting. Like, why does it say that I have 5 nodes? I have 4. That's weird. Wait a second. That's weird. Alright, again. Blue, green. Diff. Yeah. Diff colors red. No, red. Sift the shapes triangle here. Everything else go to the output. Another decision tree here. That there. Because we will have to sift out the reds and yep, there we go. Only sift out the red squares. Everything else goes into trash. Pink. Maybe the greens on the other hand, we need green triangles to stack out, everything else into the trash. See how. Hopefully we have enough. So this is a problem. It backs up right here. That's why you want to. We got the bronze. We weren't able to complete that in time just to get the silver one. But yeah, we will have to get the upgrade for that. That way we can either get the nodes to process the sorting faster or the data to travel faster for the network. Yep. So let's see. We get no hardware yet. What is going on? Oh, there we go. I mean, that's why. I was expecting to see a notification. We're gonna just check. Alright, let's try the other levels out. Medics one. Good thing here is any upgrades that you purchase will be automatically applied. So hopefully we should be getting the gold. Oh, crossing. Still silver. Alright. I'll be back. Alright, let's get this out. We reached the end of the epoch. Click on one of the banners to proceed further in the story. I don't understand what this is. I chose gold, but I'm not sure how that affects the game. Let's just try gold again. Not sure. Did that make the next levels harder? Probably. This should definitely work. Our cat has been detected. Oh, okay. Dog. Almost did. Almost. Alright, so it just shows different kinds of outputs or anything. Like, hey, I managed to make my computer detect the cat. Right? Alright. Now for something completely different. perceptrons that can actually learn and improve bad news. They also make a ton of errors on the way. Use training mode to teach perceptrons and decrease the amount of errors. Alright. So this is some sort of machine learning. Now entering the machine learning part. So this one has a 75% chance of failure. So to lower that, we just have to run this program, the sifter, or this node into, or just feed it data until it understands the sorting better. So this here, we just have to, this is just another tutorial for this particular node. Yep, see that? The more data it sorts through, the better understanding it gains, but can only go as far as 20% margin of error. That's okay. It's that's enough. The accuracy that we have only requires us to have 60%, so good. Nice. Let's try this. Hello, my name is Sam. I own a dairy products factory. My dream is to make the very best goods in the market that's possible without high accuracy in fermentation process. Alright. So just gotta train this again. Need a trash. Do we? Do we? Oh, actually, we just want to. Oh, it only has 40%. Used. Anyway, let's see if we can do it with this one node. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure if we can reach the 30% occupancy. Well, not a 30%, 30 accuracy, occupancy. It was just a training. I think we can. We still have a lot. Oh no. Dang it. I think we really have to use this. I know I was able to get a Steam achievement for getting gold while not hitting the maximum limit. We just have this. Yep. Not sure if I was able to set this correct order thing. What about this? Not double filters, but since the margin of errors, there's still some overlap between them. You can see we're still getting some errors, but that is okay. Again, we only need a 40% accuracy. Still training this out. Not sure how this works. 20% of 20%. How much is that? 4%. There's a 4% chance that we'll still be getting a non-circle here. Not sure if that's correct. My math is correct. That's how I understand. Alright, there we go. Got gold this time. Okay. We get new hardware. Just make sure. Let's just check. Okay. Ooh. So, how should we go from here? I think You're allowed to use 7 nodes though, so let's filter out the reds first. Filter the red. Oh, oh, Ash. Red, so we only need circle and squares. So, yep, actually completed. We have to train this, so. As for the blues and greens, I think we'll just have to feed them through here. Now I think there is a faster way to do this. Less than 28 seconds. Let's test this out. So we only need a triangle. Hope you understand this, right? Okay. Oh no, it's backing up. This one's backing up. Then again, we are still on the training process, so I think we want to separate these. Yep, that. Blues. Yep. We have to train this again. Yeah. All right, there we go. Let's see how this goes. We are still missing one node, but might be able to complete this. Oh, dang it! Why? I think we have to do another double here. This time, this will be green. This Perceptron is taking in blues and greens at the same time, so just lessen its load. That work? No, still didn't work, but we can still go for bronze. Yeah. Alright. Ah, dang it. Metal Gear construction. Try toy manufacturing. Ooh. Wait. Okay, so this time we need 30 here. Now I did not do this calculating thing so far into some couple of levels further, but I'm gonna do this now. So we only need 30 circles here. It's more than 30. I want to make sure that we will be able to find squares and like some sort of, I don't know, sort of stoichiometry, tangent to stoichiometry happening here. Alright. Need 4 nodes. I want to send all the triangle circles there. Yeah. This one as well. This, yeah, this fulfills the requirement. On the other hand, yeah, well, yeah, we can just do this. This is 60. You only need 45 pieces of data. So let's do that. I think it should work. Oh, forgot to check. Forgot to see that we actually have this. Alright, we're able to meet the 70% here though. So what I'm going to do is do a double filter here. This do another layer of filter here so that everything else will be set. I think this needs this the most. Our circle are going. Where are they going? Oh wait, it's just training. What's there? Any moment. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Kind of slow though. On, no, you only get bronze again. Why? Dang it. Let's see if we have some upgrades we can get. No, still no. Huh. Alright. Okay. Okay, I think we are going to do this last as the last level for this stream. Let's do this one. This is kind of interesting though. Reinforcement learning. Hello, we we as a society of peoples who love cats. We want our cats to has all the best. We want cats to drive cars with no humans inside. But cats have no hands. Cats has paws. Can you make a car that self-drive? Yours, Mr. Meow Cats. Meow W Cats, human person. Yes, please excuse our grammar. We are not cats, we are humans. But we can't type well because we have paws and no hands. Terrible car accident, bad surgery is why we need a self-driving car. Haha. Reminds me of the time when I was still visiting the I Can Have Cheeseburger website. And reinforcement learning tasks knows work in a bit different way. All data is initially specified, and our task to recognize it, transmit it to RL agent. Yep. Object detection. Alright, we just have to do another sift. Just to I think the RL agent is the one that we need to train this part. And how it goes. Alright. Let's tune it up. This part is the interesting part though. The data about your surroundings on the road are processed from your scheme to machine learning model. Your car won't be capable of learning and detecting obstacles without it. Alright, the goal in this type of task is to make the AI clever enough to be able to reach your target average speed level. Press supervised learning. Alright, so there has to be some sort of manual intervention here to just help the AI learn more or learn better. I'm using the WASD keys to manually drive the car. On move. Telling it how to act through the obstacle. Once this bar is filled up, then you can see how it you can also evolve the AI as we should see here. Yep, there we go. I'm not controlling anything, it's just working on itself. So kind of stupid though. But all we need is just to reach 51 miles per hour. Yep, there you go. Oh. Wait. Not controlling anything, by the way. It's all quote-unquote AI. That's it. Basically. I think that was a bad last level to pick up. We still don't have any ups, but we still have time. I think. Let's see. Let's try this out. X recognition. We are aware that you were able to create a text recognition system based on Rosenblatt perceptron. But we need a similar system that would also be able to distinguish vowels from consonants. This task is simpler, but more accuracy is required. Alright. Rosenblatt perceptron. We have to train this again. Only have 75 here. The same thing with the decision tree. We have to decide which one should be the random data to go. I think it's triangle because we do have triangles on both sides. So, wait a second. No, this is not the same as. Wait. I think we'll just go. Just course the triangles here because this needs a higher occupancy requirement. Oh no. Thank. Alright. Let's run. Should be able to complete this without a problem, hopefully. Almost there. Come on. There we go. Nice. Got a gold. Alright. Solo upgrades? What's going on? Anyway, I guess that will be it for this episode. Wait, is there a raccoon? Oh my god. Oh. Not. Go up somewhere else. We can click our cat. But yeah, that'll be it for this episode. Name again? Let's forget. While true, learn. There we go. Yeah, I expect to have receive more episodes on this up until the point where our brain can no longer function anymore, can no longer figure out how to do this. I do want to experience the game as it is, so I'm not gonna look up guides while doing this on stream. Still not gonna do guide. And if I'm playing this, if I play this off stream, I want to experience the challenge, the raw challenge as it is. But yeah, thank you very much for joining this the stream. And if you want to get the game, I think, what date is it today? I think we still have until the 10th. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's December 10th, 2021. To get the game for free from the Epic Games Store. That's it for me. This has been Wild True Learn, and it's been Outside. Hopefully I can catch you guys next time. Yep. Bye. Bye for my cat. Bye for me. And whoever the raccoon is. Let's see if we can summon the raccoon. But yeah, bye. Oh, there we go. Bye.